Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful decorative decoupage glassware. And this is a great project if you just have some plain glass pieces that you want to spruce up. And we're using some of my favorite products to do this project. We're using my Xyron Creative Station Light, which is great for decoupage. You don't have to use the decoupage medium because you can just put it through the Creative Station. And we're also using my Redesign with Prima Decor transfers, which go on glass, not just furniture, they work on glass. And we're going to make some beautiful hot glue molds using my SureBonder glue gun and the Redesign with Prima silicone molds. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some decorative decoupage glassware. Historians believe that the first stickers may date back to the ancient Egyptians. Archaeologists have found remains of papers that were plastered to the walls of ancient markets to display prices of goods. Modern stickers may have gotten their start with Sir Rowland Hill, who invented an adhesive paper in 1839. Decals were invented by Simon Francois Ravenet, an engraver from France who perfected the process he called décalcaire, which means to copy by tracing. It became widespread during the decal craze of the late 19th century. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Definitely check out Xyron, SureBonder, and Redesign with Prima. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.